In this problem, we were talking about landscape architect. They want to enclose a garden with 3,000 square feet. They're going to put shrubs on three sides, and then they're going to put fencing on the other. So shrubs on three sides. These are supposed to be shrubs. There we go. And then fencing on the fourth side. Okay, so let's see. What are we trying to do? We are trying to minimize costs, a little different kind of problem than when we're just dealing with the area or volume. So minimize cost. The first thing I would do is introduce some measurements for these sides, and maybe I'll just call these sides x and y like that. And now once I have the length, I can figure out what the cost of each side is, because shrubs cost $25 per feet, and we're going to let x here be the number of feet. So this side costs 25 times x. This side costs 25 times y. So does this side, 25 times y. But up here, this side has a fence, has a length of x, its cost is 10 times x. And that leads us to that cost formula we're looking for. Cost equals, let's see, I've got, looks like 50y plus and 10 and 25, 35x. All right, and once again, we have one too many variables over here. So we need to use another clue that was given, and you'll notice that we haven't used this clue yet of 3,000 square feet. And that's just going to be the area, that's x and y. So x times y equals 3,000. Now in this problem, it really doesn't matter if you're going to solve for x or y, but I know when I plug it in, I'm going to multiply by 3,000, and I don't want to use a calculator, so I want to plug in for y, so I'm going to solve for y. So y equals 3,000 over x. So cost equals 50 times 3,000 over x plus 35x. All right, I'm basically ready to do my derivative now, dc dx. All right, so I've got that 50, and the derivative of 3,000 over x is going to be negative 3,000 over x squared. And the derivative over here is plus 35. All right, so I'm ready to set this equal to 0. So let's see, I'm going to multiply this out now. So negative, let's see, 15, and I've got 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, all over x squared plus 35. And so let's see, I'll put that on the other side. So 150,000 over x squared equals 35. And I'll multiply by x squared. So 150,000 equals 35x squared. And now I need to divide 150,000 by 35. And that appears to be about 4285. Not exactly. Equals x squared, and now I'm going to take my square root. I'll be a little more careful when I take my square root as to what that answer is going to be. Second root, 65.465 is my x. Okay, so 65.465. All right, and so then they asked me to find the minimum cost, and I have that formula right over here. So I'm going to just go ahead and plug that in. So I've got 50 times 3,000 over this 65.465. I got to tell you, my calculator, I'll use second answer, so I'm not rounding at all, plus 35 times that 65.465. And just hang on while I put this in my calculator. So 50, and I've got 3,000 divided by second answer, plus 35, also times second answer, and I get a cost of $4,582.58. There it is. So $4,582.58.